How to add signature in Yahoo Mail. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Yahoo Mail. On the left side, you'll find three dots at the bottom. Simply click on three dots. After that, you'll find all these options pop up. Click on Settings. After you click on Settings, on the left side, you'll find Writing email. Simply click on Writing email. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll down. You'll find signature. Turn on the signature option. After you turn on, you can simply add your signature. Write anything you want as your signature. You can also change the text color by clicking on three circles. Also highlight color. You can add emojis, text format, links. After you're done, you can also add link. As you can see, there is example of signature at the right side. And this is how to add signature in Yahoo Mail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.